Great morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter 9 of grammar, that is verbs. So children, let's see what are verbs. A verb tells us what the subject in a sentence is, what it does or what it possesses. Possesses means belongs. Verbs express action, being and possession. Now children, what is action, being and possession? Look at the example. Ajhar is a boy. It's a helping verb here. It's a be form of the verb. I eat an apple every day. What are you doing? I eat an apple every day. Eat is an action verb. It's an action verb. Shalini has a red dress. Shalini has a red dress. It's a possession. Red dress belong to Shalini, so it has a possession. Children, verb tell us what the subject in a sentence is, what is does means action, and what it possesses. Possesses means belongingness. Children, keep in mind, verbs are the most important part of a sentence. In fact, we cannot form a sentence without a verb. Ram to the market is not a sentence. Ram to the market is not a sentence. When we put the verb in the sentence, when we put the verb in this sentence, that time it will be a sentence like Ram is going to the market is a sentence. Ram is going to the market is a sentence. Ram to the market is not a sentence because it has no complete meaning. So without verb we cannot form the sentence. A verb in a sentence may be formed in different ways. Sandhya sat on a chair, one word. Raj is sitting on a stool, two words. Parizad will be sitting on the sofa, three words. Look at here. Here one word, sat, sitting two, and will be sitting three on that sofa. Underline the verbs in the following sentences. Write 1, 2 or 3 for the numbers of words the verbs are made up of, like Rafat and Maria are going to the library. Here two words are there, are going. Are is a being verb and going is an action verb, so you will write two here. Okay. Farzan and Mary are good friends. So here only are. So here only one. So you will write one. Samarth will be going to the market soon. Here three words are there. Will be going. So you will write will be going. You will write three. Okay. Now next is verb that express actions. Verbs that express action. Verbs like go, sit, stand, talk, walk, etc. express actions. Go to the market. Ali walks 4 kilometers every day. Please sit down. Here children, exercise B is given here. You have to match the action to the animal that can do them. What does tiger do? Tiger roars. So you will match the tiger with roars. So you can do this exercise easily. Match the action to the animal that can do them. Next is verb that denoted being. Verbs that denote being. The words am, is, are, was, were, being and been are different forms of the verb be. It's a form of be. They tell us what a person or thing is. They tell us what is a person and what a thing is. Generally, these verbs are used with other action word in a sentence, but they can act as a main verb too. Sometimes they can act as a main verb and sometimes they can act as a helping verb. Like I am reading. Reading is the main verb here and am is here helping verb. He is an accountant. Here is here main verb. They are in the next room. Are is a main verb. Ram was going out. So here going is a main verb and was is the helping verb. She was late. Was is the main verb. They were busy. Were is the main verb. Where action verb is given. So action verb is the main verb and is, am, are, was, were, being, been are the helping verb. Like choose the correct verbs for the sentences given below. Write whether they are main verbs or helping verbs. Like Mr. and Mrs. Ahuja dash here yesterday. So you will write a verb were. Mr. and Mrs. Ahuja were here yesterday. So here were is the main verb. Were is the main verb. Okay. It's a main verb. You will write main verb. The parrot imitating its master. So here the parrot is imitating. Imitating is action verb. It's action verb, and is here helping verb. So you can write helping verb. So you can do this exercise. Next is verbs that denote belonging. Verbs that denote belonging. The verbs has, have, and had show belonging or possession when used as a main verb. I have a new toy. She has a younger brother. They have a big blue car. I had a long skirt. So these verbs shows belonging. Okay. Keep in mind the verb have also means to eat or to experience. He has 7 almonds every morning. He has 7 almonds every morning. It means eat. He eats 7 almonds every morning. We had a great time yesterday. It means experienced. We had a great time yesterday. So there are two meaning, eat or experience. The verb has, have, had are used as a helping verb with a main verb in a sentence. I have finished my work. Here it's a helping verb. Have help here. Have help the have helps the main verb finished. Okay. So children, in the exercise D, you will take the correct forms of the verb in the following sentences. Our school library. Sentence is given here. Our school library have the latest book. So what you have to do, you know that has is used for singular and have is used for plural. You will write our school library has the latest books. The parrot dash a curved beak. So you will write has. Children, you will write has in a singular case and you will write have in the plural case. Okay. Next is subject verb agreement. What you have to do, every sentence has a subject and a verb. You know that subject is a speaker. The subject and verb in a sentence must agree in number. Look at the following example. The market stays open all night. Here market is the singular subject and you will write stays here, singular verb. If the subject in a sentence is singular, the verb should be also singular. Or children, remember one thing, in singular verb you will add s or es, like a worm wriggles in water. Rani is coming. Rani is coming is when the verb is are, we will add ing in the action word. And if the subject in a sentence is plural, so the verb should also be plural, like worms wriggle in water. Here worms are plural here, so we will write wriggle, not wriggles, wriggle. Rani and Raman are coming out of the room. Rani and Raman are two children, so we will use are. With I and you are always use a plural verb. You know that you are a good boy. We can't write you is a good boy. You are a good boy. With you we use plural verb. All of you were late yesterday. What is a plural verb? I walked to school. We will not write I walks to school. We always write I walk to school. It's a walk is a plural verb. So children, in this exercise E, what you have to do, fill in the blanks with the correct forms of the verb given in the bracket, like Rani dash dancing, her friend dash watching her. Rani is a singular, so you will write enjoys. Rani enjoys dancing. Her friends are plural, so you will write enjoy. So you can do easily. Next exercise is F exercise. What you have to do, rewrite the sentences using plural subject. Make other necessary changes as well. What you will do, you will write plural subject here. So children, in this exercise you have to write plural subjects and adjust a verb according to the subject, like my cat likes having milk with a biscuit. Here my cat is a singular subject, you will write plural. My cats like having milk with a biscuit. You will change in the cat, you will write my cats, and likes changes into like. Second is the dog was barking at the stranger, so you will write plural subject. The dogs were barking at the stranger. So children, you can do like this. Now exercise G. In the following sentences, the subject and the verb do not agree. Rewrite them correctly. What you have to do in this exercise, here subject and the verbs do not agree with each other, so you can correct the sentence, like my brothers was happy to go abroad. So children, here subjects are plural but verb is singular, so you will write verb were. The my brothers were happy to go abroad. Or If you want to change in the subject, you will change my brother was happy to go abroad. If you want to change in the verb, you will write my brothers were happy to go abroad. Second is, this bag are full of lovely flowers. You know that bag is a singular subject here, so you will write is. This bag is full of lovely flowers. So children, you can do this exercise easily. So children, these are the sentences of this exercise, and I hope you have understood the exercises well, and you can do these exercises by yourself very easily. Thank you children. Have a nice day.